You've seasoned your soups and caramelized them for dinners, but you've never used an onion like this. What if I told you that a single humble onion boiled into a simple tea and drunk before bed could be the key to unlocking the deepest sleep of your life, while quietly soothing your joint pain and balancing your blood sugar? This isn't a new trend. It's a centuries-old folk remedy that grandmothers around the world have sworn by. And now, modern science is starting to understand why it works so well. The results you can experience in just a few nights are not just surprising, they're transformative. The science behind the nighttime onion, more than just folklore. You might be thinking, an onion? Really? But this simple vegetable is a biochemical powerhouse, especially when it comes to senior health. Here's what happens inside your body when you drink onion tea at night. First, it's a natural inflammation fighter. Onions are one of the richest dietary sources of a flavonoid called quercetin. Think of quercetin as millions of tiny microscopic bodyguards that calm down chronic inflammation in your joints and arteries. This is why studies have linked it to reduced blood pressure and less morning stiffness. Second, it's a prebiotic, not a probiotic. This is a crucial distinction. Instead of adding new bacteria like a probiotic, a prebiotic is like fertilizer for the good bacteria already living in your gut. Why does this matter for sleep? Because a healthy gut is responsible for producing over 90% of your body's serotonin, the precursor to melatonin, your sleep hormone. You are literally feeding your body's ability to manufacture deep restorative sleep. And third, it helps balance your blood sugar overnight. The sulfur compounds in onion, particularly S-methylcysteine, have been shown to have anti-diabetic properties. They help your body manage glucose levels more effectively, preventing the dangerous blood sugar dips that can trigger a cortisol spike and wake you up at 3 a.m. So this isn't just an old wives' tale. You're using a targeted, natural formula to combat inflammation, fuel your gut, and stabilize your metabolism all while you sleep. The 5-minute sleep and repair onion tea recipe. Now, I'm about to walk you through the step-by-step recipe. But before I do, I want to take a quick moment to talk about our growing community here. We have a massive goal to hit 10,000 subscribers this month, and every single one of you makes a difference. If you find value in these natural kitchen cabinet remedies and want to learn more, the best way to support this mission is to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It lets me know that this is the kind of content you want and helps us reach more people who need it. Thank you so much. Now, let's brew this tea. Let's make this incredibly simple. You don't need to eat a raw onion before bed. The gentlest and most effective way is to make a warm, soothing tea. Here's what you'll need. 1 small to medium onion, red or yellow works best. 2 cups of filtered water. Optional, a pinch of cinnamon for blood sugar support, or a teaspoon of raw honey for taste and an extra calming effect. Here's how to make it. It only takes 5 minutes. 1. Peel your onion and cut it into quarters. You don't need to chop it finely. 2. Bring the 2 cups of water to a boil in a small pot. 3. Add the onion quarters, reduce the heat, and let it simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes. You're aiming to extract the beneficial compounds, not cook the onion to mush. 4. Strain the liquid into your favorite mug. Discard the onion pieces. 5. Let it cool for a minute or 2 if you're using honey. Add it now so the heat doesn't destroy its natural enzymes. Drink this tea warm about 30 to 45 minutes before you go to bed. This gives your body time to start the calming, restorative process. Many people report that within just 3 to 5 nights they fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and most importantly, wake up feeling truly refreshed. 5 incredible benefits for seniors who drink onion tea at night 1. Deep natural sleep. This isn't about sedating your body, it's about nurturing it into a state of rest. By supporting the gut brain axis and providing the precursors for melatonin, onion tea helps you achieve the deep restorative sleep that is so crucial for memory, mood, and cellular repair. 2. Balanced blood pressure overnight. The quercetin in onions acts as a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps relax and widen your blood vessels. This can lead to a gentle, natural reduction in blood pressure, protecting your heart while you rest. Third, enhanced liver detoxification. While you sleep, your liver is hard at work filtering toxins from your blood. The sulfur compounds in onion tea act like a tune-up for your liver, supporting its crucial phase 2 detoxification pathways so you wake up feeling cleaner and lighter. 4. Reduced joint pain and inflammation. That anti-inflammatory quercetin directly targets the chronic, low-grade inflammation that causes morning stiffness and joint pain. By drinking this consistently, you're essentially taking a natural anti-inflammatory remedy every night. 5. A powerful immune system boost. A strong immune system starts in the gut. By acting as a prebiotic, onion tea strengthens your gut lining and promotes a healthy balance of bacteria. This not only improves digestion, but also fortifies your entire immune defense, helping you fight off colds and infections more effectively. Important warnings. Is onion tea safe for you? While this is a gentle, natural remedy, it's not for everyone. Please listen to your body. If you have severe acid reflux, GERD, or a known onion intolerance, this may aggravate your stomach. Start with a very small amount, like a quarter cup. If you have a sensitive stomach, you might experience some gas or bloating. This is often a sign that your gut bacteria are adjusting, but if it's uncomfortable, reduce the amount or frequency. Always use boiled onion, not raw. Boiling makes it much gentler on the digestive system. If you are on blood thinning medications like warfarin, you must consult your doctor first. Onions have mild blood thinning properties, and it's essential to ensure there's no interaction. Bonus: 2 more powerful onion folk remedies. 1. The onion foot poultice for congestion. If you have a stubborn cough or chest congestion, try this. Take a thin slice of a red onion, warm it slightly, and place it on the arch of your foot. Put on a sock and leave it on overnight. It sounds wild, but the theory is that the powerful antimicrobial compounds are absorbed through the skin and help break up mucus. Many people swear by its effectiveness. 2. Onion and honey immune syrup. This is a classic for a reason. Chop a whole onion and layer it in a jar with raw honey. Let it sit for 8 to 12 hours. The honey will draw out the onion's medicinal juices, creating a sweet, potent syrup. Take 1 teaspoon 2 to 3 times a day at the first sign of a cold or sore throat. It's incredible to think that such a powerful tool for better health has been sitting in your kitchen cupboard all along. This isn't a magic bullet, but a profound example of how working with your body's natural rhythms using whole foods can yield incredible results, from deeper sleep and less pain to a stronger immune system. Now, I'm incredibly curious. Have you ever tried onion tea or any of these onion remedies before? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story could inspire someone else to try it. If you believe in the power of simple natural remedies to help us feel our best after 50, then please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. We're here to bring you the truth behind traditional cures and the science behind natural health so you can live your strongest, most vibrant life. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health.